Tigercave Temple, or Wat Tam Swaya, is a renowned Buddhist temple in Krabi, Thailand. Known for its 237-step climb, the temple rewards visitors with stunning views of the Andaman Sea and lush rainforests. The climb is tough, but the breathtaking vistas and sense of accomplishment make it worthwhile. The temple complex is rich in history and culture, with caves, statues, and relics to explore. Whether seeking spiritual enlightenment or adventure, Tigercave Temple offers an unforgettable experience. What to expect? Prepare for a challenging climb up 1,237 steps. The journey is tough, but the breathtaking views from the top make it all worthwhile. Steep ascent. The temple is situated on a hill, requiring you to climb a significant number of stairs. Be prepared for a workout. The steps are quite steep, and the climb can be challenging, especially on a hot day. However, the effort is well worth it. The higher you go, the more rewarding the scenery becomes, so take your time, pace yourself, and enjoy the journey to the top. Tigerpaw Prince. The temple's name comes from the alleged discovery of Tigerpaw Prince within the cave. These prints are believed to be ancient, adding a mystical allure to the site. Visitors often marvel at the natural beauty and historical significance of this unique location. Buddha statues. Admire the impressive Buddha statues that adorn the temple grounds. These statues, with their intricate carvings and serene expressions, offer a sense of peace and tranquility. Visitors often spend time here, reflecting and taking in the beauty of the surroundings. Panoramic Views. The summit offers stunning vistas of the surrounding landscape, including limestone cliffs and lush greenery. From here you can see the temple in all its glory, with intricate carvings that tell stories of the past. The horizon stretches endlessly, and as the sun sets, the view becomes even more breathtaking. The clouds move gracefully, painting a dynamic picture of nature's beauty. Tips for your visit. Wear comfortable shoes, bring plenty of water, and start your climb early to avoid the midday heat. The climb is challenging, but the views from the top are absolutely worth it. Don't forget your camera to capture the stunning scenery. Enjoy your visit. Wear comfortable shoes. The climb can be, well, pretty strenuous, so make sure you have appropriate footwear. Good shoes will provide the support and grip you need to tackle the rocky and uneven terrain. Trust us, your feet will thank you later. Bring water and snacks. It's essential to stay hydrated and fueled during your ascent. The climb can be challenging, and having enough water and snacks will help you maintain your energy and enjoy the rewarding views at the top. Dress modestly. Respect the sacred nature of the temple by dressing modestly. Ensure your shoulders and knees are covered. This is a sign of respect and helps maintain the sanctity of this revered place. Start early. Visit in the morning to avoid the heat and crowds. The early hours offer a serene experience with fewer people around and cooler temperatures. You can enjoy the breathtaking views and the tranquility of the temple grounds before the day gets busy. The Tigercave Temple in Krabi, Thailand, is a spiritual haven and architectural marvel. Climbing over 1,200 steps rewards visitors with breathtaking panoramic views. Nestled in lush greenery, the area also boasts pristine beaches, vibrant markets, and cultural landmarks. Whether you're a history buff, adventure seeker, or explorer, there's something here for everyone. Discover the fascinating history and nearby attractions of this incredible destination.